Today I will clean my rails. I use isopropyl alcohol, 5-56, the Japanese version, I guess, WD-40. I already kind of vacuumed my rails and the tabletop already. And I have a little blower to get all the other dust off. I already took this cam off, and it has 2 washers and a big thingamabob. Two screws, just goes underneath. First thing I'll do, use some alcohol. Dash it on a paper towel. Clean off my rails. Clean the bottom of my cam. Clean the underside. That holds the cam. That's all the alcohol on there, or the dirt. Just get any other dust that might be on the sides out. Just try to make sure all the debris is off. I'll get another paper towel. Use my 556. Just spray some on the paper towel. Then I'll wipe down the rails again. If you spray it on top, then it'll gunk up and it doesn't feel good later on. Rub the underside of my cam with a little bit of 556. I forgot to clean the clamp thingamabob. Then I rub a little 556 on the bottom side too. Normally I have like a brush, but I forgot it at work. Guess they use these things like in a barrel of a gun. That's what I use, but this one's for like ES5 Pro clamps, so it's a little loose in the Protec 8s and the Precision 8s, 9s, so it doesn't work. Then I'd attach everything, and that's basically how I would clean my rails. Thanks. Bye-bye.